I'm ready.
Start.
And smoked.
That's funny.
I think it's safe to say that I just destroyed that guy.
I'll destroy you.
Oh, by the way, guys, we're racing all the way up to the bridge. Okay. Stopping at the bridge.
Okay, when you're ready, please do high beams or something. Alright, ready? You can
Ah, shit. I want to see you guys like get the sound of the car, but like, yeah.
Okay, let me get a picture real quick, guys.
Did I just fuck up my tire?
So getting smoked.
Okay, nope, you don't go on that.
Okay, ready, guys?
You guys are on the right side of the highway doing drag races, right?
Yeah.
Like coming back.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so I won't crash into you guys.
Okay, E45, RS4, ready?
I'm pulling into the highway right now.
Oh fuck!
And someone went through the map.
I think.
Okay, that does not look fair at all. M5 versus M4.
Whatever, man.
All the shit and new as fuck.
Yeah,
Well,
but
he's gonna ram me, so I mean,
Oh wait,
Wait,
you're right.
let me move a bit.
yeah. All right,
no.
ready, guys?
To the highway. Oh, the first two left, and
Oh
then I
my.
will go straight.
Okay, ready, guys?
Yeah.
Or how?
Oh well, that guy could really use the limited slip differential, but sure enough.
No, because I can't.
Oh,
see
this
your
will be an
brakes,
interesting
so
one. Guys, back up a bit.
Yeah, F430, go backwards a bit. Yeah.
Guys, I fucked up again.
Wow. Okay, ready?
I'm coming though. I'm coming.
Stop revving, noobs.
No chance.
I already feel bad for that Bentley.
Well,
It's
it's
gonna get smoked.
tuned, dude. It's tuned actually.
Yeah, but that doesn't mean it's gonna outrun a GT63 AMG 4-door Cube
It's got
Magic
more
Plus
Yeah,
hybrid thing.
what's the start signal?
Brake lights, okay?
Alright.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
brakes, 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 brakes.
Right, M3, M5, ready? Yep. Nice. Right, are you ready? Please finish it.
That worked for me. Okay, G82 M4, I'm gonna race you.
Okay, you
So
ready?
A45 should just stand back a bit.
This 911 is too fast.
Wait, maybe I should do the front lights instead.
What? Oh
Maybe
wait,
I
yeah.
should-
Can't you walk in? Just let me go. Hang on. Alright, I'm ready.
Yep.
I'm ready.
Start.
And smoke.
That's probably the cleanest track races.
Yeah, of course.
Shut up, Mel.
No, his wheel got stuck. Aww.
Yeah, I've got that like twice now, so I'm going back to the highway for the third time. I'm pulling back into the highway right now again for like take 580.
Wait, Malaka, is that you on the M4?
Hell no, I'm in the fucking Mentaiga, bro.
Oh. Of course you are, you old man. Why are you not in the T43?
Oh, yeah. Next year.
You should make it 2017 instead of the new one. The new one's not nice.
I've been holding against the GT63. It's been interesting, to be honest.
Are you going against that car again?
I hope if he's there. I want to go against the RS6.
Ah, I can see you guys. I think I can. Maybe not.
Alright,
I can't
ready?
eat shit.
Yeah, I'm here, guys. Finally.
So the start is when you turn on the headlights.
Ow, my ears.
This Bentayga is fucking awesome, bro.
Yeah.
Well, guys, I'm going
Fairways.
against Pista.
Ready?
Ready?
Chance.
I mean, DCT versus manual. I have 600 horsepower, he has 400.
Ready?
Fuck.
It's alright. You can just race him again.
Yeah, I'm braking. I'm not doing that.
Race between the E63 and M4 GTS. Right, ready?
The Bentayga just went flying. They all just went flying, lol.
You ready, guys?
Okay, I'm ready.
Yeah.
That Benz, the GT63. Race
Nope,
the
my
M5
tires
real
are still
quick,
fucked.
please. Can you race the M5? Please, please, please. That'll be a good race. Thank
Ah,
you.
Yep.
Nice, guys. Yep.
That's a good race right here.
Yep.
Flash your highlights so I can see. Alright, I see them.
GG.
You ready?
Guys, I'm
Yeah.
gonna be very annoying for a second, okay?
Bye bye.
I'll see if I can record a bit
Wait,
without too much lag.
You ready?
Yeah.
Race again.
One. I nailed that one. Please put that in the video. That's not the intro to it.
Okay, we need to do that again. I'm getting the Bentley. I have to.
Oh. I'm a honk it. You hear my horn?
Okay,
But hold on, GT2, you stay where you are. I need a picture of your car.
I think you
real
heard
quick.
that.
Lager,
Okay, yo.
did you do Lager?
Oh, how did I just lose a wheel? What the fuck? How did I just lose a wheel like that?
Yeah, it happens all the time, man.
Yo, no, this M5 is broken. Oh, I guess I could do lights for y'all if anybody's in the race. My shit got no wheel.
Really? Oh,
Yeah, that happened like 3 times to me, so
Holy crap.
yeah, it literally happens all the time.
Alright. So once they go, I'll take the space of the F80 and you can race. Since I'm dead, technically.
So you guys ready?
Yep. Oh shit, I can't even turn if I could make it there. Shit. Don't look at my front wheel. That shit got mad camber. Oh, I'm sorry.
yeah.
That was the car.
Suzuki
That was the car. That was the car.
JDM is gonna do headlines because it's kind of
Nice
Let me
run,
just fix
Gustav.
myself.
yeah.
God damn it, M5, you always break down.
Word, man.
Lager?
Now go and
Yeah.
race against the RS.
Did you do
What?
neutral?
Y'all can see my
Race
headlights?
against the RS6.
No, I don't know how to.
Yeah.
Oh,
I'll-
damn,
I'll-
y'all just
I'll
left.
take
Okay.
S500, I'm sorry, I'll take the RS6. This is actually kind of nice.
Hold
I
on,
mean,
let me straighten-
let's just
let me
say that.
straighten out.
Let's be honest, you guys. If it was against my own RS6, I would not stand a chance. That's all.
Alright.
Nobody.
Are you guys ready?
Yep.
Yo, that F80 got it on point.
Why did I launch better than him? He has Quattro.
Word, but he was sleeping
Guys,
too.
Go,
What are y'all
go, go,
doing?
go, go.
Just go, cause y'all just sitting there.
What the
Alright.
fuck?
Are y'all ready? Alright, what the fuck? Look, see? What is this? What is this right now? What the fuck? It's like I can't see
Gustav.
the headlights.
Yeah?
I'm in free cam right now. I'm
Alright.
recording, so
Alright, yeah, sure.
Y'all ready?
Yep.
I'll
ready.
just follow you guys.
No, wait. Bentley wasn't
Bruh.
ready.
Sorry. Flash your headlights when you're ready. Alright, Gustav is ready. Bentley, what are you doing? You putting makeup on?
M5, can you turn on your headlights?
You see it?
Okay,
It's on now.
okay.
Alright, you ready?
Yep.
Ooh,
Oh,
that's a
fuck,
good race.
traction
That's a
control.
good race. That's a good race. Who got that race? It looked like right lane.
Jaguar right now. Bentley is coming.
Oh yeah, the Bentley passed. Did it?
No.
I'm getting a bit mad because the RS6
Oh.
goes
Oh
ignoring me.
my god, dude. Come on.
Alright, let me straighten out because I don't know how this car just turned like this.